Imagine a small nation called Cape Verde.
tekereza igihugu gito cyane nka Cape Verde
With less than 1 million people.
gifite abaturage bagera kuri miliyoni imwe,
Facing Spain.
gihuye na Espagne,
One of the strongest football teams in the world.
imwe mu makipe akomeye ku isi.
Most people expected Cape Verde to lose by many goals.
Benshi bari bazi ko Cape Verde iri butsindwe ibitego byinshi cyane,
But one man changed the story.
ariko hari umugabo umwe wahinduye amateka.
His name is Vozinha.
Nta wundi ni uwitwa Vozinho.
Today, we look at the incredible story of the goalkeeper who shocked the world at the 2026 FIFA World Cup.
Uyu munsi tugiye kureba inkuru idasanzwe y'uyu munyezamu watunguye isi yose mu gikombe cy'isi cya 2026.
He won the hearts of millions with his bravery,
Yigaruriye imitima ya miliyoni z'abafana
determination, emotional family story.
kubera ubutwari bwe, kwihangana kwe n'inkuru ikora ku mutima y'umuryango we.
Vozinha's real name is Josimar Jose Evora Diaz.
Amazina ye nyakuri ni Josimar Jose Evora
He
Diaz.
was born in Cape Verde in 1986.
Yavukiye muri Cape Verde mu mwaka w'1986.
His journey was not easy.
Ubuzima bwe ntibwari bworoshe.
He faced many challenges before reaching the national team.
Yahuye n'imbogamizi, yahuye n'ibibazo byinshi mbere yo kugera mu ikipe y'igihugu.
Over the years, he played for different clubs in Portugal and Cape
Mu
Verde.
myaka myinshi yakiniye amakipe atandukanye muri Portugal no muri Cape Verde.
He never played for Europe's biggest clubs, but he never stopped working hard.
Ntabwo yakiniye amakipe akomeye cyane ku rwego rw'i Burayi, ariko ntiyigeze areka gukora cyane.
For more than 15 years, proudly represented Cape Verde.
Yamaze imyaka irenga 15 akinira ikipe y'igihugu ya Cape Verde.
He became one of the most respected players in the country.
Yabaye umwe mu bakinnyi bubashwe cyane mu gihugu.
Before 2026, Cape Verde had never played in a FIFA World Cup.
Mbere y'umwaka wa 2026, Cape Verde ntiyari yarigeze ikinaho igikombe cy'isi.
Reaching the tournament was already a historic achievement.
Kugera muri iri rushanwa byari amateka akomeye cyane kuri iki gihugu cya Cape Verde.
Many football experts believe Cape Verde would be one of the weakest teams.
Abasesenguzi benshi bavugaga ko Cape Verde ari imwe mu makipe yoroshe gutsinda cyane,
But the players believed in themselves.
ariko abakinnyi ntibari babyizeye uko nguko.
They wanted to prove they belonged on the world stage.
Bashakaga kwereka isi yose ko nabo bafite icyo bashoboye.
The match that changed everything.
Ushobora kwibaza ngo ese umukino wahinduye amateka gute?
On June 15,
Ku
2026,
itariki 15 Kamena 2026,
Cape Verde played its first World Cup match against
Cape
Spain.
Verde yakinnye umukino wayo wa mbere mu gikombe cy'isi ihura na
Spain
Espagne.
was one of the favorites to win the tournament. From the first minute, Spain attacked again and
Espagne yari imwe mu
again.
makipe ahabwa amahirwe yo kuzegukana igikombe.
Their stars created chance after chance.
Kuva umukino watangira, Espagne yatangiye kugenda ikina isatira.
But there was one man standing in their way.
Abakinnyi bayo bakomeje kubona uburyo bwo gutsinda, ariko hari umugabo umwe wabahagaritse. Nta wundi ni Vozinho wari uri mu izamu.
He made save after save.
Yakoze saves nyinshi zitangaje.
He stopped shots that looked certain to become goals.
Yafashe imipira benshi batatekerezaga ko atayifata, batekerezaga ko yamaze kuba ibitego.
Every time Spain came forward, Vozinha was ready.
Igihe cyose Espagne yageragezaga gusatira, Vozinho yabaga yiteguye cyane, agapira yabaga yagafatiye imbere.
Football fans around the world could not believe what they were seeing.
Abafana b'umupira w'amaguru ku isi yose batangajwe n'ibyo babonye.
Minute after minute, Spain failed to score.
Iminota yaragendaga, Espagne ikabura igitego.
Cape Verde kept fighting.
Cape Verde nayo ikomeza kurwana.
After 90 minutes,
Nyuma y'iminota 90 umukino wararangiye,
the match ended 0-0.
ariko urangira ari ubusa ku busa.
For Cape Verde, it felt like a victory. Suddenly, everyone wanted to know the name of the goalkeeper who stopped
Kuri
Spain.
Cape Verde byari intsinzi. Ako kanya abantu bose batangira gushaka kumenya uwo munyezamu wahagaritse Espanye.
Why did everyone talk about Vozinha?
Ese kuki abantu bose bavugaga kuri Vozinha?
First, he remained calm under pressure.
Icya mbere ni uko yagumye
He
atuje,
never looked afraid.
ntiyigeze agaragaza ubwoba cyane.
He read the game brilliantly.
Icya kabiri, yasomaga umukino neza,
He often predicted where the ball was going.
akenshi yamenyaga aho umupira ushobora kujya.
Third, he showed great leadership.
Icya gatatu, yari umuyobozi
He
mwiza.
constantly organized his defenders, encouraged his teammates throughout the match.
Yakomezaga kuyobora no gutera imbaraga bagenzi be bari imbere.
Fourth, he never gave up.
Icya kane, ntiyacitse intege.
Even when Spain kept attacking, he stayed focused until the final whistle.
Nubwo Espanye yakomeje gusatira, yakomeje kuba maso kugeza umukino urangiye.
His performance earned him the Man of the Match award.
Ibyo byose byatumye ahabwa igihembo cy'umukinnyi mwiza w'umukino.
Emotional story.
Inkuru ye yakoze ku mitima ya benshi gute.
After the game, many people were surprised to see Vozinha in tears.
Nyuma y'umukino abantu benshi babonye Vozinha arira,
They wanted to know why.
bibajije impamvu.
He explained that his mother could not attend the match. He had dreamed of having her watch him play in the World Cup.
Vozinha yasobanuye ko nyina atashoboye kujya kureba uwo mukino. Yari yararose ko umubyeyi we azamubona akina igikombe cy'isi.
Unfortunately, visa problems and travel costs prevented her from coming.
Ariko ibibazo bya viza n'ikiguzi cy'urugendo byatumye bidashoboka.
As he spoke, emotions took over. His story touched millions of people around the world.
Igihe yavugaga ibyo, amarangamutima yari yamurenze. Inkuru ye yakoze ku mitima ya miliyoni z'abantu ku isi.
Within hours, videos of Vozinha went viral on social media.
Ni ibintu byahise byikora ko isi yose yahise itangira kumuvugaho. Nyuma y'amasaha make gusa, amashusho y'uyu munyezamu yatangiye gukwirakwira hose.
People called him a hero. Others said he proved that age is just a number.
Abantu benshi bamwise intwari, abandi bavuga ko imyaka itabuza umuntu gukora amateka.
Fans from different countries began supporting Cape Verde.
Abafana bo mu gihugu batangiye gushyigikira Cape
His
Verde.
name appeared on television, radio stations, websites, and social media across the world.
Izina rye ritangira kuvugwa kuri televiziyo, amaradiyo no ku mbuga nkoranyambaga hirya no hino ku isi.
Vozinha's story teaches us many lessons.
Inkuru ya Vozinha itwigisha byinshi cyane.
First, never let your background limit your dreams.
Icya mbere ni ukwemera ko aho uri, aho uturuka bitakubuza gukora cyane kandi bitakubuza kurota.
Cape Verde is a small nation, but it surprised the world.
Cape Verde ni igihugu gito ariko cyatunguye isi yose.
At 40 years old, Vozinha became one of the biggest stories of the tournament.
Ku myaka 40, Vozinha yabaye umwe mu byamamare by'abakinnyi bakunzwe cyane muri iri rushanwa.
Third, hard work and patience always matter.
Gukora cyane, kwihangana bigira umusaruro.
For years, he worked quietly.
Yamaze imyaka myinshi akora bucece,
Then one day, the whole world knew his name.
ariko umunsi umwe isi yose imenya izina rye.
2026 FIFA World Cup produced many heroes.
Igikombe cy'isi cya 2026 cyabyaye intwari
But
nyinshi,
few touch people's hearts like Vozinha.
ariko bake bakoze ku mitima y'abantu nka Vozinha
He stopped Spain.
wahagaritse Espanye.
He helped his country make history.
Afasha igihugu cye gukora amateka atazibagirana,
And he showed that dreams can come true for those who never give up.
kandi yerekanye ko inzozi zishobora gusohora ku muntu utarigeze acika
Do
intege.
you think Vozinha is one of the greatest goalkeeping stories of the 2026 World Cup?
Wowe ubona Vozinha ari umwe mu banye? Ese ikibazo mbaza, wowe ubona Vozinha ari umwe mu banyezamu bakoze amateka muri iki gikombe cy'isi? Andika igitekerezo cyawe hasi muri komenti, kandi ntibibagirwe gukanda like, share na subscribe kugira ngo ukomeze kubona izindi nkuru nziza. Ikiganiro bakita Stardom. nabashishikariza kuzakurikirana ibiganiro by'utaha. Murakoze cyane.